Hello everyone. Today, we're going to talk about an airdrop that can give you a profit of up to $500, as it's similar to Dogecoin. And as you all know, Dogecoin gave us huge profit. So don't miss this airdrop. Before we start the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so. We regularly bring you airdrop and earning-related videos. First, you will find a link in the description or comment box, and once you click on it, you'll be redirected to Telegram. There, you need to click the Start button and wait for 5 to 6 seconds. After that, some dust coins will be added to your Telegram account. Then click on Get More Dust and then Connect Duck Wallet. Now, click on the Create New Wallet option. You'll receive a 12-word secret phrase which you need to copy and store safely because it will be needed whenever you log in. After that, click on Continue, and you'll need to enter 3 words from the backup key. Once done, your wallet will be created. Next, go to the home page and click on Connect Tone Wallet. You'll see several options like Tone Reaper and Telegram Wallet. I'm connecting through Telegram Wallet. Click on Open Wallet in Telegram and wait for 5 to 6 seconds. After that, click Connect Wallet and then tap Back to Duck. Your wallet will be successfully connected. Scrolling down, you'll find 2 tasks to join their community. Click Check on the first task and join the community. Then, return to the airdrop page. Complete the second task, and once both tasks are done, some dust coins will be added to your account. You can also join other projects in the Launchpad section. Additionally, you can go to the Mission section, complete missions, and earn more dust coins. After completing each mission, you'll be rewarded with coins. Then, you'll find a referral option, allowing you to refer your friends and earn extra dust coins. You can also check your wallet section to see how many dust coins you have. Right now, I have 48,180 dust coins in my wallet. Additionally, there is a daily check-in option where you can type in and earn 1,000 dust coins every day. So friends, don't miss this airdrop as you can earn a good profit from it. Like and share the video. We'll see you in the next one. See you soon.